Hey, welcome to Dr. Spider's Mac Academy, your home in the web. I'm Professor Keith. Let's get started. Okay, so think of your computer. It's a big file cabinet like this. Think of your computer as a big file cabinet. And then there's also iCloud and Google Drive, which are also big file cabinets in the cloud. So when things are stored in the cloud, that means you can access them from anywhere, and it's awesome. All right, so let's look at how do you find all these files. So you go here to the Finder, and the Finder is over here like this. And you click it, and my Finder is already open. And this is the sidebar, and you can drop things over into the sidebar if you want, so you can find them really easily like that. So now this folder, this is just, it's like a shortcut. It's not really the file, it's just a shortcut to the folder, which hopefully is in your documents folder. The document folder is where you should keep all your documents. So let's see, let's go on over here. Up here at the top is the toolbar, and you can do things. You can change the view. I like this column view, but if you want, you could make them all icons, just a list. But like I said, I like the columns because then you can see what's inside of folders and everything. And you can group them by different things. Like I like to do it by date modified. That way, whatever you're working on is on top. Let's see. And let's see, that's the toolbar. Your file paths are down here at the bottom, and it's just where the files are. Like this image is in Dr. Spider's class, which is in Tabernacle, which is in this folder, which is in the iCloud drive. That's your file path. Now, when you download files from the internet, they will go into your downloads folder. And what you would want to do is once you download it, you can take it and drag it like this and put it into whatever folder you want. I knew that I wanted that to go into my Notion folder. If you need to make a new folder, you can make sure you click on the Documents folder and click File, New Folder, and then you can name it whatever you want. And then what you'll do is you won't have this many. I have a lot of folders over here. From your downloads folder, you can just take one of these, and you might want to get it ready and drag it over documents, and then, over documents, and then over documents, and then into that folder. I'll never find that again. And now, okay, so what if you don't know where something is? You can search for it right here. And you can search for whatever you can name it, and it'll just pop up right there. Isn't that awesome? Yeah, this is the search thing. And and there's also Spotlight. If you hit the command key and the space key, and they're right next to each other at the same time, you can search here. And look, see how it already pops up? And there it is. Easy. That's the best. Yeah, Spotlight is your friend. And I believe that's what it says. Spotlight is your best friend. Ask away. Okay. Now, on your iPad, it's a little bit different. On your iPad, the Finder is really here. It's this, the folder. And you can click on it, and something like this will pop up. And you'll see there are all these folders. You can look on your iCloud There's your Google Drive when you have it connected. But you can also just search too. And the search bar is, for some reason, you always think it's not there, but it's always there. Look, it's not hiding, it's right there. So just look for it and you can click in there and search. It'll pop right up. Yeah. Okay. Let's take a quick break. Okay, we're back. I hope. All right. So now Google Drive, it's another file cabinet. So let's see. First, we're going to look at accessing Google Drive via the web browser or the Drive app. Yeah, anytime you're in Google Chrome, you can just put Drive up into the look drive.google.com. And these little triangles are everywhere. It's easy to get there. And then you just log in using your email address and password, and then here you are in your Google Drive. And this is the Dallas Tax Care Google Drive. And it's just like the other one. If you want to add something from your Finder, you can just drag it and drop it. Where's Dr. Spider? Let's see, Dr. Spider's class. Oh, let's do this. So, yeah, you can just take it and drag it, and look, it is uploading. Less than a minute left. And it's in there. You can just click on it right here and it'll open, but we don't really want to do that. You can also hit this new button and you can make a new folder, and it says here, for the love of organization, please use folders. I didn't write this script, Dr. Spider did. You can also make a new Google Doc. You can make a new, oh, looks like I made a new Google Doc. So there we go. And that's how easy it is. Let's see. If you want to share something, let's see. Here, let's open this. And here's this PDF. If you want to share something, you can just click right here where it says share. And this little thing will open up. And you will click here. Probably you'll click anyone with the link. And then you can copy the link like that. See, link copy. And then you can just paste the link in a text message or in an email or whatever, and the other person will have access to it. Awesome. Let's see, sharing files. You can also work on things together. Like I could be sitting at my computer and you could be sitting at your computer, and we could work on this together. There is offline access. And Google Pad on the iPad, it's pretty much the same. Like you don't have all the same functions, but mostly you do. And there's the share button, and it works just the same. Everything, it'll look pretty much just like this on your iPad. And here are all your folders. That little person inside the folder means that it's shared. So I've shared all these folders with you and Dad. That's why they all have these little people in it. And it's great. Okay, you can do the same thing with iCloud, but Google Drive it's so convenient. You can put all your information on here. If you're taking notes on a property, you can make a new Google Doc and you can take all your notes about whatever and phone numbers, and that's not a very good phone numbers and whatever, and then you have it with you all the time. You can access it from anywhere, and no leaving papers on your desk. You always have it. You could title it house or whatever you want, and it's in your Google Drive. And if you want to share it, you can share it with, if you do this, Dallas Tax Care Help, then that anyone that's in Dallas Tax Care Help will be able to view it. And yeah, that's it. What else? Is that it for Google Drive? I think so. All right, let's see what we have next. iCloud, it works just like Google Drive, except it's in your phone. It's this. Let me show you. In your Finder, especially on your phone, it's definitely on your phone. There's an iCloud here, iCloud Drive, and you'll have all these files, and that's it. Like this is your iCloud Drive. It's just this is your Google Drive, which is just like this. It's just another file cabinet. Yeah. So you have a choice. Most things will probably already be on your iCloud Drive, but for sharing them with people, I think it's easier to use Google Drive. I'm sure you can do it with Apple, with the iCloud. Why? All right, let's look at this. Transferring files between macOS and iPad. Oh, that's AirDrop. And I think that you know how to do that. Or I know you know how to accept it. If you want to AirDrop something to someone, let's see. You just select it. Where did Dr. Spider go? You can select the picture. Is there a better? No. Huh. It's the AirDrop picture. You just select it and hit this button, AirDrop, and then people will pop up. And you just click it, and then you just wait, and it sends. It's like instant. It's really good. Yeah, and it works pretty much the same. On your iPad, yeah, there are some settings you may have to adjust, which are down. I have it written down here. I have an image down here, and I guess I'll blow this up so you can see it. But you just go to General and then AirDrop, and then you might have to turn it on, like where it says anyone for 10 minutes or everyone for 10 minutes or something like that. And it's only on for 10 minutes, so no big deal. And, I think that is it. So there you have it, a deep dive into the labyrinthine world of files and cloud storage. May your mom become the digital navigator we all aspire to be. Dr. Spider. I told you I didn't write it. Okay, so that's it. I am going to do something else now. So thank you for coming to Dr. Spider's Mac Academy, and I'll see you later. Bye. I can never stop this. Does it stop it? Does that stop it? There we go. Okay, I think I stopped it.